What's up, Cripple Crew? This is EDC with DVD, Disabled but Deadly, and I just wanted to take a little video in here with Mabel, Bo, hi Bo, and Miguron trying to eat my damn shoes. Don't untie my shoe, Miguron. I mean, yeah, that's Miguron. Hi, Mabel, Bo. Mabel, you can't take my knives, sweetheart. You can't take my knives. I know you like Kaisers. Hey, he just untied. Miguron just untied my shoe. Mabel was trying to get the mini roach. They are playful this morning. Anyway, have a fantastic day. Stay safe. Stay frosty. And stay deadly. What's up, Cripple Crew? Here's what I get to walk up to this morning. She's been hollering since I got out of the car. Hi, pretty Mabels. And then look at Tedster. Miguron waiting by the gate. Here he is popping up. Tedster, good morning, Teddy. Good morning, Teddy. How are you? Oh, Mabel's over here nibbling. She's like, no, it's my morning. Daddy. Yes. All right. Today's carry. Everybody dug the green yesterday that I know, Mabel, you like Kaisers. So today I'm going to go with a green Matt Degnan Roach. The super green. Whoop, that's no. What's up, Cripple Crew? I get to, oh, she's trying to get out. I get to come to a very happy Mabel. She's trying to come out and see everybody. Mabel, we got Teddy over here in the gate. Oh, hey, Teddy. Good morning. Hi, sweetheart. Miguron. Over here. Miguron. Hi, Mabel. Look how happy she is. Aren't those some happy critters? How can you be mad this morning? This morning we've got the awesome Kaiser Matt Degnan Roach. Mabel said more green, so we've got the 20 CV Lil Native. And because Mabel want to see it, this is why we brought the green out today. I did a little work on this yesterday, and people liked the way this looked online. So I wanted to pop that up and show everybody again today. That is the 20 CV Kaiser Drop Bear. Hope everybody has a fantastic weekend. Whoops. And bye, Mabel. Bye, Miguron. Look at everybody come running. Have a great weekend. Mabel, Miguron, and Bo, I'll say thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay deadly.